Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Can I ask some question?
Yes, obviously.
What's your name?
My full name is Abdullah Shab Labib. What's your name?
My name is Rafiul Alam Sadim. I have a nickname. It's Rafsan. You call me Rafsan.
So where are you from?
I'm from INC.
Oh.
And you?
I'm from Thakurgan.
Oh, really?
Yes. Why you come here?
Because I improved my English skill.
That's why you came
That's
here.
why I came here.
I also think this way. I also came here because I want to improve my English skill. That's why I came here. So, do you think English fantasy environment, it helps us to improve our English?
Yes, our teacher is very friendly. English fantasy environment is very good.
And what do you think about our teacher? It's friendly or it's good to teach us?
Our teachers are very friendly. What do you think about English fantasy environment?
So I think it's very good to improve our English skill because our teacher is very friendly. At any time, at night or at day, at any time, if I do any mistake, sir, I talk with sir and sir help me to solve this mistake. Even in our bedroom, there is also a teacher with us. At night, he stayed with us. And if I have any question, I ask him and he answer me. That's why I think it's very good for improve our English skill. That's why I like it.
What's your dream?
I have a dream to go abroad. That's why I came here for improve my English skill, and I want 7+ band score in IELTS. Inshallah, I will get. So thank you, brother.
Nice to meet you.